Alright, so a few of you have been asking me, Mike, how's your pool project coming along? Let me show you the completion of phase 1. What you're looking at here is my, well, what should have been my old pool pump, my old filter, my old chlorinator, going direct in and out of the pool on a pallet. Yes, sir. And why'd I do that? Well, I had to excavate where all this stuff was so that I could replumb it the way I want. Anyway, I got the new pump. This is a new pump. My old pump died as soon as I moved it over here, so I had to go and spend another $300 on a cheap Home Depot pump. I'm gonna probably sell this on Craigslist after I'm done with it. Anyway, guys, I gotta show you this too. Look what I found. This is where the old pool pump filter chlorinator were, right here. I dug down about 3 inches, found Hitler's bunker, or one of them. Holy crap, guys. Look at how thick. That's like over a foot of concrete thick. So I gotta go rent a jackhammer and get to watch me sweat in the hot Florida sun, breaking up this monstrous formation. Stay tuned. I'll try the... let's go with the point. I'm not gonna lie, this is fun. Oh, that's too much fun. Wow. Dude, I could do this.
Ah.
You know, you're not a man unless you cry while you work. And if you ain't crying, you ain't working hard enough.
To my little face.
Nice flat surface.
Yeah. Oh, I know what you're gonna do.
Alright, boys and girls. You're witnessing my near demise. I almost couldn't do it. Thanks to the Jackhawk 9000, I was able to break up the bunker, and now I have access to run my plumbing exactly the way I want. I'm going to move that condenser pad about half a foot that way, if hopefully that goes well, and that'll give us room for a brand new setup. Anyway, thank y'all.